Hello guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 4. Today we are going to create an instance from our Lightsail account, or just what you just need to click on the Lightsail to access your Lightsail resources. You know very well that we have covered some informations, or we provide you some information regarding your instance and also the Lightsail account. Okay, now as you can see, you are at the home and instance. Okay, just click on this. You have no task in progress. You have home menu, you have documentation, account, settings, and you have few menus. You have your database and you have your networking, you have your storage, and you have your snapshot. We will discuss about that in our later lectures, but for now we are going to create the instance. You have no instance right now. Just click on the instance button. So now you have to choose your region. I am selecting the Mumbai or the Virginia. Okay, I am selecting the Virginia. Okay, now you have few choices. Either you are working on the Linux or you are working on the Microsoft platform. Just choose your platform. Okay, I am choosing the Linux and I'm going to choose the WordPress. If you have multiple WordPress website, just click on this. If you are going to install or if you are going to work on the Joomla, just click on this to create your Joomla setup. If you are working on Magento, click on the Magento to set up your Magento instance. If you are working on the Drupal. Okay, I'm going to work on the WordPress. Make sure this is the app plus OS, so they will install the OS with your application. If you want to install the OS only, just click on this and they will install you the OS for you. Okay, I'm saying app plus OS, so click on the WordPress. So you have few things. Just as you can see, you are using the default SSH key pair for connecting to your instance, so you have to download this key because you always access your instance with this key. So now in the F drive, I'm going to create a folder. I'm saying AWS. We are going to keep all our resources here, so click on this. So now here is the key. I have downloaded my key, and now you have to write your instance name. I'm saying WordPress site or something. You can also use your name. Now choose your instance plan or choose your data plan. So first month is free for you. So as you can see, they will charge you $40 per month. So they are giving you 512 MB RAM, 512 MB RAM, 1 CPU, 20 GB SSD drive, and also 1 terabyte. Choose your desired package. So they are also giving you in $5, they are giving you 1 GB RAM, 1 CPU, and 40 GB SSD drive. So this is best for business website. Like if you have a simple static website, you have to choose this one. Or if you have a WordPress website, you can also choose this one. Okay, because this site is suitable for this kind of website or insurance haven. So as you can see, this is the Digital Sword website. This is the company website. Or we have 5+ pages or some data here. So okay, so as you can see, the same things here. We have 4 to 5 pages and some static data here. So this is enough for $3.5 or $5. You can also choose your package. It's totally depend upon your need. They are also giving you the $160 in $160, 30 GB RAM, 8 CPU, 640 GB SSD drive in $160 per year. Okay, so in this case I am just selecting this one because it's free. Okay, now As you can see, they are saying you can try the selected plan free for 1 month, 750 hours. Okay, now create an instance. Wait for a few seconds, they will create you the instance. Okay, now you are ready to go. So you can create any instance within a minute. Okay, now as you can see, it's currently running. So copy your IP address and paste your IP in your URL. So as you can see, you have just configured the WordPress website or WordPress setup on your instance. Okay, now how can you access your WP admin? Because you know very well that definitely you have a WP admin account, and now if you open your email, okay, now if you open your email, so as you can see, you have not received any email yet. In the next lecture, I will teach you how can you access your WP admin account, because WP admin account is different from the shared hosting. You always create your instance or the WordPress setup on shared hosting account, and they will email you. Or if you are installing the WordPress manually, you define your credentials. But Lightsails never give you the WordPress credentials. But we'll discuss how can you access your WordPress credentials by clicking on this, or by accessing this shell, and by performing some commands. So I hope you are enjoying our courses or our videos. If you have not subscribed our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And if you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. So thank you for watching.